You can never get enough of this cabbage and mushroom sauce. It's absolutely delicious. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. To begin, I just added some vegetable oil into the pan and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I go in with some sliced onion and I'm going to go ahead and stir fry this for about 2 minutes just to add flavor into the oil as usual. 2 minutes later, I'll go in with the roughly blended pepper, which is basically tatashe, chili pepper, and some onion. That tatashe is bell pepper, in case you don't know, alright? Once I add the pepper, I just go ahead and stir everything together nicely until they are well combined, and I'll go ahead and add any seasoning of my choice. For the seasoning, I make use of curry powder, salt, and seasoning cube. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice, and I go here with some dry beef. You can go ahead and add any protein of your choice. I have a video on how to make your dry beef, alright? The link will be in the description box below. Once I add the dry beef, I just stir everything together nicely until they are well combined. If you need to add water, go ahead and add water. But this particular sauce, I don't need water. I want it to be very, very dry. I just cover the pot and allow to fry perfectly well on a medium to low heat. And when the sauce is fried, I am stirring on it so it doesn't burn. I open the pot, as you guys can see. I just give it a nice stir and everything is looking so beautiful already. I go here with the bowl of my mushroom. I just added the mushroom and I go ahead and stir everything together once again until they are well combined. And you guys, the aroma is absolutely amazing. Go and give it a try. You will not regret it. I cover the pot and allow the mushroom and the pepper sauce to fry together for about 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, I came back and give it a quick stir before I go in with my cabbage. Cabbage is optional, but trust me, it makes a whole lot of difference in this sauce. If you don't want cabbage, you can go ahead and skip it. I just have your pepper sauce and mushroom alone. Once I add the cabbage, just a little bit of cabbage, I go ahead and stir everything together nicely until they are well combined. Once I stir everything nicely again, I just cover the pot and allow to steam together for about a minute or so, and that is basically it, guys. Looking so beautiful and it smelled absolutely amazing and it tasted so delicious. Go and give it a try. A minute later, I came back and I give the sauce a final good stir and it is ready. You guys, it looks so beautiful, guys, and it tasted absolutely delicious. You can pair this with rice, with yam, with pasta, with macaroni. It tasted absolutely delicious, guys. I pair it with some rice and beans and it's absolutely amazing. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.